How to reorder Word document pages. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to rearrange the Word document pages, then in this video I will guide you on how you can do that. First of all, open up your original Word document in this way. Now you want to right click on the Word icon and from here select Word. It's going to open up a new document in this way. Go ahead and select a new document. Now you want to split your screen by pressing Windows and right arrow. You want to put up the two documents in this way side by side. Once that is done, locate what you want to be the first page. Then you simply want to copy all of the text from that page. Then go ahead and paste it in the first page over here. After that is done, you want to follow the same process and arrange the documents the way you want. After that has been completed, you can simply save this file, and in this way you can reorder Word document pages. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.